It's always hard to leave the familiar, and it's always painful, yung transition from the familiar to the unfamiliar. But once you take that leap of faith and step, makikita mo na, ito pala yung,
And you made the right decision.
ito pala yung
oo.
pinipare sa akin ni
Yes.
God na parang makikita mo na nagdasal ka lang for a flower. He prepared the whole garden for you. Tapos may seasons lahat ng buhay. You move on to the garden, tapos akala mo ito na yung promised land. Then there will come a time in your life na the season is over. You have to move on to the next level or next stage in your life.
Yes.
And you will know that it's the next stage and it's the next level when God closes that door for you. Diba? For every beginning, it starts with an ending. So, siya na mismo yung mag-e-end. Pag tinapos niya yon, dun mo makikita na in-orchestrate niya lahat. Parang tapos na. Diba? There's a time and season for everything.
Yes.
Nare-realize mo na I've done my part in this stage of my life. Now it's time to move on to the next.